Hello and welcome to What's on the Shelf. I'm your host Jen, and today we're unboxing Starcadia Quest, Thorne Troopers, I believe is how it's pronounced. This is an expansion to the game. I believe this was one of the Kickstarter exclusives. I can't verify that for sure, but at this point, let's check out the box. So this comes with additional monsters, 2 new heroes, and a lovely bunch of new things to do. So let's crack this baby open and see what's inside. This box definitely feels a lot lighter than previous boxes I've opened. Oops. But I think there's less in this box. This is just a mini expansions of sorts. Come on, box. Let me in. There we go. Oh, everything's popping out. Okay, so we have the event deck. Not event deck, scenario deck, sorry. We have more little figurines. Although I do not see a hero. Usually the heroes are in gray. But I guess for this particular expansion, you can use the, there'll be two monsters you can use as heroes as well. We also have the cards here for the hero and villains. Let's see. So this is the hero, Lieutenant Plasma, and also Lord Dust. So yeah, it seems like these two guys here, who are in blue, are playable monsters and heroes, which is always cool. And then we have our villain deck. Lieutenant Plasma is also a monster, along with the big This is huge. It's also quite hefty. It's going to be so much fun to paint. Plus, he's being the big bad. I understand that the scenario deck kind of replaces the manual with the quests, but I actually preferred having the actual manual. It gave you, I found it might have been a little bit easier. I'll have to see. I haven't played the game yet, and maybe this is faster, streamlined for setup. But that's everything in this box. There's no additional robots or anything like that. It's just the troops. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.